Yukon Boys here in Homer, Alaska on the Homer Spit, and the boys have made a driftwood fort. Let's check it out. All right, here it is, the driftwood fort. Have you named this thing yet, Mark? Fishes in the sea. Fishes in the sea flag. Here he is. And the dude's in here. Chilling. Comfy? Yeah, of course. Thermorest in there. Some rock and hay or grass. Luke's over there, maybe getting some more driftwood.
And the sad thing is, some people.
Yes.
I don't know who they're called. They asked us to break this down.
Yeah, the campground hosts didn't want it kept up. But so it's kind of not forever, but it's temporary. It's a pretty sweet structure we got going on here. It's not tall, but it's
Enough that somebody can jump down from it.
yeah, it's not too tall. It's good. Blocks you from the wind. Cool.
Are you gonna send this on YouTube?
Maybe. Should I?
Yeah.
All right. You want to know if we're going to put it on YouTube? We probably will. Yukon Boys, signing off.